Hello, this is Pranay Sai. What can you do to make your speaking sessions exceptional? If you know what to speak, you can focus on how to speak. For suppose you are given a topic like social media impact on the society. This will be your main idea, and you should be able to develop a concept map by adding supporting details to the main idea before you start speaking. Organize your thoughts through concept maps. This is one of the most essential elements for any speaking session. You should be able to add supporting details to the main idea as quickly as possible. In this lecture, our main idea is social media impact on society. I'll try to list out a couple of positive impacts and a couple of negative impacts within the limited time. Here are the two positive impacts. It provides platform to express views or thoughts. It serves as a marketing and branding tool. Here are the negative impacts. It alters our health and it increases chances of cyberbullying. As I said earlier, if you know what to speak, you can focus on how to speak. No matter which topic you are given, try to add supporting details to the main idea and focus on presenting them properly. This is how you can organize your thoughts before you start speaking. No matter what speaking sessions you attend, you should be in a position to develop a concept map in your mind. That is by adding supporting details to the main idea and also focus on presenting them properly. I'll just give you a couple of topics. Try to prepare the concept map for those. The first one, favorite color. The next one, corruption. And the third one, teamwork. All the very best.